Hello and welcome to the Sat on My Butt channel, where today I want to talk a bit about skin tags. Yes, most of us have had them. I have got more than my fair share, and for over 10 years I had rather a large one on my wrist that I didn't like, and yet I couldn't get rid of. I didn't see a doctor. I guess I could have had it cut out, but I tried all the tying cotton around it which fell off, etc, etc. That stuff that dries it out, and so I've got one of these. It's called the TagBand. Yes, and inside you get this. It's £15-ish on Amazon. And in there you get the sterile wipes. You get a box of 10 bands. This one is for the medium to large. You can get a small to medium set. And then you get this. Now what you do is you roll one of these very, very small bands onto there. It gets bigger and bigger, and you plop that on after it. And then I placed it over my skin tag. It's got a hole in the bottom, over the skin tag, and I pushed down, pulled that out, and voila, I had one of these tiny little bands strangling the skin tag. I didn't hold out much hope. I thought, you know, let's see what happens. The next day, it looked like that. Yep, 24 hours and it had gone black and dry and all rather a bit gross. And within a few days, it had gone. I would say it dropped off, but I'm not one of these people that can leave things alone. I'm a picker. So I ended up, went like that, and I thought, oh, and I got a pair of nail clippers, and you're not meant to do that. Please don't follow what I do. But as you can see, it has gone. It didn't hurt. It was totally pain-free, and it was quick. So I would highly recommend the TagBand. It's not fiddly at all. You can get one that looks like a pen, and this puts it onto like the bottom of a pen, and you click the band off onto it. But this one itself worked very, very well. If you've got the skin tags, go and have a look on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the old description box. I've got a couple more that I'm going to get the wife to do. Small ones, they say you can clip with a pair of nail clippers. Now, what I'll do in another video is I will get Mrs. Richardson sat there, and I will get her to get a pair of nail clippers, and we'll put that to the test, and I'll get her to take one of my skin tags off and see how that goes. We'll give that a go and publish it on YouTube. So if I scream like a girl, I do apologise. Go and check them out, TagBand. And that is that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.